Hello and welcome to House of Commerce. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the process costing, and we shall solve the questions regarding process costing. So stay tuned and watch the whole video so that you may come to know about the whole topic. Okay, for calculating the process cost, number one step is to calculate the equivalent production units. What is equal production units? These are the unit figure for a department represents the number of units that could have been completed from material, labor and overheads. In a nutshell, this means that how much units have been completed in this specific period. For example, few of the units were left over in the last period, which are to be completed in this period, and few have been completed in this period and few are still left for next period. So whatever have been completed in this period, that shall be called equivalent production unit. Now let us see that how to calculate equivalent production unit. Okay, this is how we calculate equivalent production units. Now, firstly, we have completed and transferred out units. Now, we have whatever the amount of direct material which is transferred out and conversion cost which is consisted upon labor and overhead. So we will write the units that are completed from direct labor, material and overhead. Then we will add the ending work in process up to the percentages completed as per the direct material and as per the conversion cost, means the labor and the overhead. Then we will deduct the opening work in process units up to the percentages completed as per the direct material and conversion cost. Why we are deducting this? Because we have got these opening work in process from the last period, and whatever units have been completed from this belongs to the last period. That is why we will deduct the opening work in process. In this way, by adding and deducting the opening work in process, we will get the units in equivalent production units. Now, let us see that how to calculate a complete process costing question. Let us move forward to it. Okay, so here we have a question. The 500 units are in process on November 1. That cost 3,850. Then we have 80% completed to material and processing. Processing means the conversion cost. Cost incurred during November: direct material 34,700 and labor and factory overhead applied are 45,000. Now we have company completed 11,000 units in November 1983. There are 500 units in process at the end of the month in the following stage of completion: material 100% and processing, labor plus factory overhead 40%. Now let us see that by using this question how to calculate equivalent production unit. Okay, now we have completed units transferred out 11,000 as you can see in the question. Then we have ending work in process which is completed 100% as per direct labor, direct material, and 40% as per the conversion cost. So what were the units of ending work in process? That were 500. So we have written 500 and 200 and 200 here. Now we have opening work in process 500 as per materials, and the question says that it were completed 80% in the previous process. So we will deduct this 80% as this pertains to the last period, and by deducting this 400 from 500 and 11,000, we have 11,100 and 10,800 in direct material and conversion cost. Now let us see that how to solve this question further.